Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Right now it seems that we will follow to three major currencies. So it's Great British Pound that we will talk today again, in this currency pair that we have dedicated weekly research. Also we have setups that we mostly have discussed already. But still we need to keep an eye on them. So it's on euro currency, it's upward action, and on the Japanese yen we have the downward action. So as we said yesterday in our video, the setup on the euro currency on the Japanese yen looks very similar, but in opposite directions. And targets that we have specified yesterday is on euro currency, that's major 1 or 830 area has been hit. As on the Japanese yen, the minor ABCD extension that we have discussed yesterday is daily oversold and around the weekly monthly pivot support band also has been hit. So right now it's mostly nothing we could say new on the setups that we have on the euro currency and the Japanese yen. And currently we just need to wait the retracement that we have discussed, since they could give opportunity for taking the position. So as major targets and resistances had been reached, right now market should show the relief, at least following the probability setup. So probability suggests retracement has big chance to happen. That's why today we will make the brief update on the Great British Pound. What we have on the Great British Pound, actually we have a very interesting setup that is confirmed not only by patterns on the high time frames on the weekly chart. For example, as you remember, we have bullish grabber. Also we have the sentiment background. So Great British Pound is extremely oversold by the sentiment analysis. So the speculative net short position stands at record high since the 2008. So this is usually this is a situation when the market shows the reversal. Long-term reversal or temporal reversal doesn't matter, but usually it shows the significant action on the lower time frames, on the daily, on intraday charts. That's our fundamental background that we have discussed in our weekly research. So as you can see, market indeed is moving higher since the starting of the week. That's confirmed our expectation. Actually, our minimum target stands above this top because the bullish grabber that has been formed on the weekly chart suggests taking out of this top. And as a result, in some perspective, we could count probably on completion of this large A, B, C bottom D pattern. Its target stands, as we have calculated, around 128.30 area. That we also talked about in the weekly research. But meantime, since this target stands too far right now on the daily chart, we will focus on the closer target and its minor extension, 618 extension. It stands relatively close to the current situation. Its target is 125.50 area. This market gradually is moving to it. Now market is challenging the monthly pivot point. As you can see, it has been tested within the March yet, and market is moving through it. Another signs of weakness, or signs of strength that we have on the Great British Pound is reaction here on the intraday target. Recall the point where we have started our discussion. We said this market will complete the minimum target here. It should show some retracement, and we have talked about this head and shoulders pattern that was forming. But take a look what has happened. Market hasn't shown even this moderate ABCD retracement, hasn't tested the weekly pivot point. It has turned up immediately, although that was also the daily overbought. So market was very close to the daily overbought here in the beginning of the week. This shows the signs of strength on the market, and it seems that market could show just minor retracement on the way up. Currently, guys, on the way up, it has no significant barriers to the upside and easily could reach this target. So as you can see, market right now is not at overbought. It's not at the fib resistance, so it easily could reach this target. This probably will happen very soon. So right now market has reached, as you can see, weekly pivot resistance one. That's reaction and retracement to weekly pivot resistance one. Another bullish sign that we have on the Great British Pound. Take a look at this minor A, B, C bottom pattern. Market has hit 100% target. Right now it stands above it. It means that it stands on the way to the 1618 extension. And take a look where this extension stands. Right at 2564. So it agrees with our large daily ABCD target. It's 125.50. Here we have 125.64. So the same area. That's the next point that will be reached probably till the end of the week, maybe even today. Who knows? Currently, guys, all eyes stand on the voting in Congress on the canceling of the Obamacare program, because this will be really a signing moment for Donald Trump administration. So if it will have the power and will find the ability to push it through the Congress, it will show that Trump really could manage and could lead to the final point, his tax reform. This will be the testing of the power of the Donald Trump administration. If he couldn't do this, this will be really not very good sign for United States dollar, and it will stand under depression, because this will raise the questions from the investors to how will be real the pushing to the life the tax reform that Donald Trump intends to start. So that will be very important. So that's been said, on the Great British Pound, we're watching for further up projections. Probably today, tomorrow, market should hit the short-term target, stands at 125.64 area. On the hourly chart, guys, in fact, as you can see, Great British Pound takes the shape of the channel. So let's see what we will get.